Where can I find the passport book number location in my passport?
Hello, and welcome to our tutorial. Today, we'll be helping you find the location of the passport book number in your passport. This might be required for specific application processes or when filling out certain forms. Don't worry if you've never heard of it before, it's quite simple once you know where to look.
What is the passport book number?
The passport book number is a unique identifying number that distinguishes your passport from all others. Not every country's passports have a book number, but if yours does, it's important to know where to find it. It's typically distinct from the passport number, which is a separate identifier for your passport.
Where is the passport book number located?
Generally, if your passport does have a book number, it can be found either on the first page, where personal information is listed, or on the page displaying your photo and biodata. However, the exact location can vary depending on the country that issued the passport. In the case of U.S. passports, there is no separate passport book number. The passport number itself serves as the book number. For other countries, if the passport book number exists, it's often located near your personal information such as your name, birth date, or the passport's issue and expiry dates.
How is the passport book number different from the passport number?
The passport number and the passport book number are not the same thing. The passport number is a unique identifier for each passport, which is often used for logging entries and exits at border controls. The passport book number, if your passport has one, is another unique identifier that is different from the passport number. In some cases, like for U.S. passports, they might be one and the same, but this isn't true for all countries. So, to sum it all up, your passport may or may not have a separate passport book number. If it does, it's generally found near your personal information in your passport. It's important to remember that the passport number and passport book number, if present, are different identifiers. If you still can't locate it or you're unsure, you can always contact the issuing authority for help. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in finding your passport book number.